This is the Hello World Podcast. You put up a sales enablement consultancy in the Philippines. And Edward, I know several people who are also in the same line of business. Really, I'd say thriving practice in the last 10, 15 years. Lots of, the economy is good, lots of competition, lots of growth as well. And just trying to imagine how difficult that first month was. Of course, we did not know that it's going to hit us. We've heard of COVID when the year started, but didn't know that it will reach Philippine shores so that fast. That first month, you put up your practice. I guess you were already having clients in the pipeline. You already had an idea of what services you're going to provide. You were starting. Can you just describe that first month without COVID in the picture?
So, the easiest thing for me, I was lucky because, there aren't many advantages to being older, except for one. You get to know a lot of people. And so, step number one was to reach out to them and reach out to the people who I knew as either friends or mentors or colleagues or people I knew on LinkedIn. And start to develop a relationship and say, look, here is what I have to offer. And I was kind of lucky in the sense that early on, what I didn't want to do was deliver one-to-many type work. I wanted to do one-on-one type work. And that kind of fitted in really well because the one-to-many time at that particular time, we hadn't yet embraced this virtual world yet. We hadn't embraced Zoom and Teams, and so that wasn't there yet. That was coming very, very quickly. But already I had kind of, luckily, decided what I wanted to do was do a more one-to-one. So be able to have clients who are salespeople, sales managers, and help them individually. And that was much, much more easy to adapt either for something as simple as WhatsApp, a 15-minute phone call or a 30-minute phone call a week. And that's how it started. I fortunately fell into that decision of a one-to-one approach versus a one-to-many approach.
Mm-hmm. So it's more on sales coaching and sales mentoring.
Yeah, doing it. And there are a lot of people doing one-to-many, a lot. And there's a lot of good people doing it. So I wanted to take a different take on it.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to others.